Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is, some boys are standing in a line for physical education. Ramesh is standing in 19th position from left and Suresh is standing at 9th position from the right. 6 students are standing in between Ramesh and Suresh. How many boys are there in a line? Okay. Now some boys are standing in a line for physical education. Let us consider this is the line where the students are standing. Okay. Now this is the line. Ramesh is standing in 19th position from the left. From the left, Ramesh is standing at the 19th position. That means there are totally 19 students are there from the left to this point. Okay. Next, Suresh is standing at the 9th position from the right. From right, Suresh is standing at what position? At 9th position. That means up to this point there are totally 9 students are there. Okay. 6 students are standing in between Ramesh and Suresh. That means in between Ramesh and Suresh, there are how many students? There are 6 students. There are 6 students. Now what they have asked you to calculate? They have asked you to calculate how many boys are there in a line. Up to from here where there are 19 students, here where there are 6 students, and from this to this point there are 9 students. If you add all those students, you will get the total number of students, right? That is 19 plus 6 plus 9. What do you get? You get it as 19 plus 6 is, of course it is 25. 25 plus 9 is, yes of course it is 34. That means there are 34 students are standing on a line. Let us take the given options. The first option is 26. The second option is 28. The third is 32. Whereas the fourth is 34, which matches with our result. Therefore, fourth option is the right option. We will see some more number of problems.